Championship Mile Race was brought to us by the Viva Prime Channel. And here comes the instant replay presented to us by the Philippine Charities Sweepstakes Office.
Walang kupas.
Village Championship and draw. Early lead is taken by Slingshot Effect, Victoria Stones by the rail. Forever Young on the farther outside, Vergara. And moving on the outside is Indelible Ink. And as they leave the straight, it's a Slingshot Effect followed by Vergara. Victorian Stone on the outside, Indelible Ink. And as they leave the straight, it is still a Slingshot Effect in the lead, followed by Vergara on the outside, Victorian Stone, Forever Young, Indelible Ink on the outside. Heading for the backstretch, it's still a Slingshot Effect by half a length, followed by Vergara on the outside, Victorian Stone, Indelible Ink on the farther outside, and in between horses is Forever Young. Nearing the part turn, it's Slingshot Effect by a length and a half, followed by Vergara in second, Indelible Ink now moving up on the outside, Victorian Stone, and Forever Young. And rounding the part turn, it is now Indelible Ink on the outside, and by the rail, Slingshot Effect. It's a Slingshot Effect by the rail, Indelible Ink on the outside, now moving up to grab the lead. It is now Indelible Ink in the lead by half a length, followed by Slingshot Effect. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Indelible Ink in the lead, followed by Slingshot Effect in second, and Victorian Stone by the rail. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Indelible Ink now pulling away. And finally, it's Indelible Ink. Entry number 5, Vergara. And number 2, Slingshot.
Preba na lang, Dodi. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, ma-break kaya niya yung record sa milya.
Ano bang hawak ng record yun?
137 yata.
Tatanggap ng trophy pa.
Alright, tingnan natin ang ginawang preba kagad. Ito na.
$25 and a half, 25, 24 and a half, finishing at 26 and a half, 141.6 para sa 1 milya.
Lala, hindi na ginalawa ni Ono. Sabi niya, di bali na yung record.